Our life is like a movie, filled with two important scenes: good, bad. Good scenes are always colorful, but bad scenes are dark. You're the scriptwriter for your life, so why a bad scene? Why can't you change? Change yourself. If you want others to be better, you must be better. If you want your loved ones to change, you must be that change. If you want others to live the life they want to live, you must set that example by loving the life you live. Take a leap.
So I finished my dinner. I couldn't resist. There was McD. But anyway, one day before the trek, I can have one junk food, not an issue. Now I'm just waiting for this queue to fade out. And then I check in the flight and reach Delhi. Mostly I'll be reaching 4 a.m. in the morning. Hey, guess what? My trip to Delhi is over. Now I'm in. Check it out. That is my pickup point for Manali. So I have to go wait there. It's called Vidhanchaba Metro Station, gate number 3. On my way to Manali, there's a pit stop. I stopped here for some food. It's a Rajasthani joint. I'm gonna have some veg food and get prepared for a good sleep. So I just finished my dinner and it's a wonderful dinner. I have my friend, fellow trekker. He's introduce yourself.
From Delhi.
Okay, he's from Delhi and he's a pro trekker, guys. So I'm here with a chai. It's very good tasting chai. It's really good. Now I'm in a place called Bilashpur. We stopped here for a breakfast. It's a beautiful place. We are halfway to Manali. I think we'll be reaching around 12 o'clock. Yeah, fantastic experience. Drive was good. The climate is fantastic and all fine, all good. Finally reached Manali. I just took a hot shower and came. It was a hectic journey because there was so much of landslides and construction work is going on. So the bus should have reached morning at 10 a.m. but instead it reached at 1:30 p.m. Oh, it was hectic, right? But yes, I enjoyed the views. It was fantastic. It was mind-blowing, and even the rivers were flowing beside the roads, and it was so beautiful, so awesome. Only thing, I became a little tired because of the traveling, but other than that, it's fantastic. As soon as I came, I just checked in, took a shower, and now I'm going for a lunch. And just check out this view, guys, through my window. So guys, now I'm in Mall Road. I'm out here after a nice nap. I'm out here for shopping because tomorrow's my trek and I have to buy some things. So I'm here waiting for my friend. He's going to help me out to buy things. Yeah, I bought everything except the scarf. We are running around in Mall Road with the scarf. I bought my padded jacket, gloves, and thermal thinners. Everything has been bought. Now let me check the shop. Finally, it's a trek day and I have so many things to do early morning. As you can see, you see I have my things here, medicine, bottles, bags, accessories and stuff, clothes. The very important thing is my drones, and all my gadgets are getting charged. And now the very important thing is how we are going to pack this. You have to pack this compact. So finally, after 2 hours, I did 2 compact packing. One for my trek clothes and other accessories, and one for all my cameras and drone gears, everything in one bag, because I can't put everything in one. And this is how it looks. So you see, this is my trek bag, and this is a small flag all the trekkers have, and this was given by my friend named Vipin, who is trekking to Hamta Pass today through India X. Anyway, this is sweet. That's my main trekking bag, and this is my bag for my GoPro, drone, power bank and everything. So I have to carry 2 bags. You know, vloggers, photographers, problem is your regular stuff and your gears. So finally I reached the pickup point, and the Nehru statue is my pickup point. Hopefully my energy is there till I finish my trek. So guys have started coming, all my trek mates have started coming. I'll go introduce myself and join them. I have my trek mates all started assembling here. And here you can see my trek leader is actually collecting all the medical certificates and giving health card. Almost we are ready. We'll be going to Gulaba. It's a 2 hours travel from here. And from Gulaba we'll be starting our trek. Today's trek is only 40 minutes and we'll be reaching the base camp. From there we'll be starting tomorrow morning on our way to the next campsite. Hi bro, all set?
Yeah, all set.
Okay boys, we're all set for this Bhrigu Lake trek. We got into the cab and we have a trek leader, very active. So guys, we reached halfway through, and as you can see this place, we have our gears for rent. We can keep our things in the locker room, and we can take things for rent. Like I took my trekking shoes for rent, and I took a raincoat and a trekking pole. So today it's going to be a moderate trek. It's nothing hard. Get used to the altitude stuff. I'm so excited. I think it's going to rain today because you can see the clouds are forming. It's getting darker. we are stuck in a heavy Himalayan traffic. We are stuck almost for 2 hours. Finally we reached Gulaba. Beautiful place, amazing. The road from Manali to Gulaba is amazing, fantastic. The nature is so beautiful, it's a sure heaven. So from here we'll be starting our trek. I think this is our trail here. You can see pathway.
Hey, I'm Nitin, I'm from Kerala. So we are on Bhrigu Lake trek with India Hikes, and I think this is the way we take. And yeah, so we are all excited about it.
So this is your first attempt?
It's my first attempt with India Hikes and in high altitude trek. So I'm all excited about it, and the team we have is really good. We are looking forward to it.
Cool.
We'll leave right now, and it's a short day today. It'll take like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay. So right now we're in Gulaba. So we have to gain almost 2,000 feet today. So it's not a joke, 2,000 feet. So make sure that you keep drinking water.
Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and I've done many treks before. My first trek was when I was in 4th grade in Dalhousie along with my mom, and then I started doing treks alone when I was in 5th in Mount Abu. Then I gradually shifted to Manali, Shimla and all those treks, and today I'm again with my mom in Bhrigu Lake, and I'm very excited for Bhrigu Lake. Yeah, see you guys ahead.
This guy started his trekking in 4th grade. Okay, we started our trek from there and we have come all the way to here. So how do you feel, bro?
Yeah, it's the beginning. Let's see how it goes.
Cool.
I'm Kalpana. I'm trekking from Bhrigu Lake. ये मेरा सेकंड ट्रैकिंग है. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया हाइक से वैली ऑफ फ्लावर किया था और ये वहाँ मुझे बहुत एंजॉय किया और सेकंड टाइम ये इंडिया हाइक्स पे आई हूँ.
This is Kevin and this is Kevin's mom. As mom is joined with Kevin for this trek.
The more amazing thing is there's one entire family over there.
Oh yeah, there's another entire family over there. I'll be showing you all
और
that
मेरा
later.
एक ये है कि मैं 4th स्टैंडर्ड में केविन को डलहौसी लेके ट्रैकिंग में गई थी और आज वो मुझे लेके आया है.
Okay, cool. Nice family, nice son. Okay, I wish my mother also can join. So how are you guys feeling?
Weak.
Enjoy.
Weak, old and worried about tomorrow.
Oh really?
And missing beer.
Okay, behind the camera I'm so energetic. I'm not showing myself.
Why do we have to go anywhere in the world?
So guys, after 1 hour of trek, we reach the base camp.
मैसेज छोड़ दे.
It is such a beautiful spot.
Yeah. So you're all familiar with the eco bag. You use it on the trails always. when you're trekking, use it on the trails, and you make sure that you pick up as much trash as you can. I saw today that people were resting and there was a lot of trash, but no one picked it up.
You see, this is the interior of the camp. He already slept, and he's going to sleep, and I'm awake. I'm all awake. It's pretty good inside the camp. It's so warm and it's very cozy, and it's very, very cold outside, but we don't feel anything inside.
It's warm inside.
It's kind of warm inside, and now it's just 9:30, right?
Yeah, 9:30.
And yes, we're gonna sleep, and yes, nothing else to do here.
Wake
But
up early morning.
yeah, wake up early morning. 5:30 is the call. 6 o'clock is for tea. 7 o'clock is the breakfast, and 7:45 we're starting. And we're going to ascend how many? 2,000 feet.
Yeah.
2,000 feet high. It's pretty tough for me.
But he's gonna make it.
But I'm gonna make it, yeah, because the next campsite is gonna be amazing. So I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night. So this is my trek leader,
Hello.
and he told me to drink a lot of water. Because
And I'm a little pissed right now because
what?
given
Oh, activity.
हो गया उनका यार कितना टाइम लगे
Guys, you're still planning? We're done.
They're good.